Hi, my name is Sandy. I'm a licensed esthetician. I'm here at Clearview Cancer Institute to offer skincare advice and beauty tips to help you with your changing skin while you're going through treatment. Let's get started. During and after treatment, you may lose your eyebrows, and it may take them a while to grow back. These are some easy steps to draw on a full brow. Using your brow pencil, hold it at the outer corner of your nose to the inner corner of your eye, and we'll make one little mark to start our brow. Then we're going to take the pencil at a slight diagonal using the pupil as our guide, and we're going to make our second tick mark. And then finally, using the pencil again, the outer corner of the nose and the outer corner of the eye is where we'll stop. And we'll simply connect these dots using little tick marks along the way.